Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox not launching on PC. Now, there could be a lot of factors that could get into this for so Roblox can't launch, but there is a couple of common things that you could do to help with this problem. First off, and the most common problem is that you have too many apps open on your desktop, right? So for example, here I have DaVinci Resolve open and I want to open Roblox. It's better if I close this first before I open Roblox so it can allow my computer to focus more on Roblox and have it more resources available to run Roblox, right? And it's not just this application that you see on the taskbar down here, it's also application you see on the hidden icons here. All of these are running and it's taking up some of your computer's resources, and too much of your computer's resources are taken up, Roblox will fail to launch or it will crash on startup, right? And it's not just application here too. If you want to see the nitty-gritty, you just go to the taskbar section here and then you right click and then click on Task Manager. On Task Manager here, you can see all of the things that's running on your laptop right now. So for example, you'll see I have a Provider Host running here. I have Opera GX running. I have Task Manager running, OPS, NVIDIA Container, and all of these stuff. If you see that there's something on top here that's taking up too much of your CPU or your memory or your disk, then it's better to stop it first before running Roblox. Another thing that you could do is to update your graphics driver, right? Or your driver in general. The way you can do that is by going to the search bar here and then finding Device Manager, and then you'll see that there's a Device Manager that pops up here. Go to your display drivers and then you'll see both of your drivers here. Mine is RTX 3050 and also UHD graphics. Just right click on your graphics card, right click as well, and then update driver here. So that is how you fix Roblox not launching on PC. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.